Hi, my name is Gary Cocke. I'm our Director of Sustainability, working remotely during the COVID pandemic. And my contribution for our Digital Earth Day this year, I wanted to speak a little bit about sustainability and what that means broadly and how we support sustainability at UTD. So first, when we talk about sustainability, what we're talking about is the ability for us to meet the needs of today without sacrificing the needs for future generations. We are looking for holistic answers to complex problems, and we need to make sure that we provide attention to environmental needs, but also the social needs and the economic needs that we need to address to come up with these holistic solutions. Whenever we talk about sustainability, the best framework that we have is the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This is a set of 17 goals that are broad, audacious, and they are internationally agreed upon and applicable. So we're talking about things like ending poverty, climate action, uh, equity, sustainable cities and communities, well-being. These are things that I think we can all agree are values that we can get behind, and they require us to take holistic action. If we're going to address any of these issues, they're interconnected, and we need to think about the social, economic, and environmental components of those problems. And so with the Sustainable Development Goals, we frame a lot of our initiatives at UTD to make sure that we are addressing these issues holistically and bringing in the people that have these diverse expertise and interests. And when we talk about sustainability in higher education, what we do is we track our effectiveness through ASHE, which is the Association for the Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education. And a reporting framework that is provided is utilized by several hundred universities across the country and internationally. It's the Sustainability Tracking Assessment and Rating System. And they categorize sustainability in higher education falling into four categories. There's operations, where that's really where we walk the talk with regards to sustainability. It's also the foundation for our sustainability program at UTD. We have B Campus USA certification, which ensures that we are doing all sorts of things to provide habitat and education for pollinators. We have integrated pest management program, we have wildflower areas, we provide service learning and all sorts of other things to protect pollinators. We have a Tree Campus USA certification, so we've adopted a tree care policy. We have a committee that oversees what we do with our trees. We have over 7,000 trees on campus, and you can actually look at all of them through an online viewer that we have on the sustainability website. We have a robust recycling program. We also collect special streams, so things that you can't necessarily put into your single stream blue bin. We collect plastic film, ink toner, clothing, all sorts of other things. Essentially, if it is recyclable, we do our best at UTD to recycle it. And then we also have a robust food waste program. All of our food waste at our dining hall is sent for composting. Last year, we composted over 100,000 pounds of food waste. That means that not only are we keeping that material from going to the landfill, but we're also making sure that all of the resources that went into the production of that food do not go to waste. We can at least salvage that and make sure that it becomes a soil amendment and has a circular life to the food that was produced. We also have our 8th LEED certified building that is in progress right now. And we do all sorts of things to promote energy efficiency and water efficiency in our operations. So as a university, I take a lot of pride in what we do in our operations, and we really look at that as kind of the first step. That is how UTD walks the talk. Now, we also need to worry about the second category of the ASHE STARS report, academics. So what are we doing to actually train students to address these issues going forward? We offer over 200 courses that are focused or related to sustainability, and we have over 200 researchers that are working to come up with cutting-edge solutions to issues related to sustainability. With regards to our reporting, we actually earned full credit, the maximum credit that one institution could earn with regards to sustainability research. And then we also are doing our very best to introduce every student to sustainability. We have the Comments to the Course program, which requires all students to take this course, and it's our assessment tool to better understand how we're teaching students to write better, read better, and do all these things. And the lens through which we explore this is sustainability. So every student that comes through UTD should be walking away better able to engage with society to address these issues. The third component of the AC Stars report is engagement. So this is perhaps the most important part, and it's something that I take a lot of pride in.
It's okay.
We need to, we need to make sure that every student understands that they have a role to play in addressing sustainability. We need diverse talents, interests, and voices all contributing to these solutions. We have an eco-rep program where students can serve as peer educators and project leaders. We have a sustainability service honors program where students can enroll and provide service in the community, and they can apply their talents to serve the community, complement their education, and graduate a more responsible citizen. We have the Student Government Green Initiative, which provides student leadership and funding to sustainability. And we also have the Sustainability Committee, which invites all members of our UTD community to participate in the conversations around sustainability and provide input to university leadership on what we could be doing to be better. And then finally, the fourth category of our AC Stars report is planning and administration. So this is really, what are we doing to institutionalize sustainability? What are we doing to make sure that we're providing equity, affordability, and prioritizing well-being as a university? And we have all sorts of offices that are dedicated in supporting these initiatives, and it's an area where we really excel as a university. When we put all of this together, it essentially means the Office of Sustainability serves as the champion for advancing sustainability. We drive sustainability with a lot of what we do as an office, and then we also collaborate across the university, because essentially what we need to be doing is we need to integrate sustainability into everything that we do. And so we need to work with those people that are teaching the classes, that are engaging with our students, that are working on affordability and diversity. We need to make sure that they understand their role in sustainability, and we need to make sure that every faculty, staff, and student understand that they have a role. What I'd like to do is I'd like to invite everybody to participate in sustainability. Reach out, get engaged, provide service, apply your interests, apply your talents, and become part of the conversation. It's going to be the lens through which you apply your education, and I hope that the Office of Sustainability can complement that.